welcome to another Circles in a Town update. And today is actually a pretty remarkable day because actually yesterday we started our first um, on-chain proposal where actually citizens can vote on. And I will come to this at the end, but first of all, uh, I will give you a quick update on our new visual identity I've set up in the past days. So we have a newer, simpler logo. We have a new word mark and a new icon definition and new colors, new fresh colors, cool ones with a light blue and these new yellow shades. So we also have a new font, which is pretty cool. And why I did this, because we want to start the marketing campaign in the coming weeks, and we want to actually print some posters and some QR codes, which we will bring to events and into stores so people can verify um, at the stores as a citizen, and at events they can receive the circles tokens. So yeah, this is actually a style sheet for our mascot called Mackie, and yeah, the Röbelmünze, the RCRC is also included. So that's all about the visual identity. Let's talk about the product stuff. So I updated the mini app. Yeah, actually, I improved the design to the new design guidelines, and I actually updated the event invite with the new poster. This is the new poster design, and the QR code is dynamic, so the QR code gets dynamic on the poster. And yeah, I can actually show you. Uh, there's some more features like the video documentation. And if you don't know, I started this whole project in September last year, and I documented along the way. So actually today is really a really cool day because it is like last year when I talked about this like concept about on-chain governance and managing a multi-signature wallet as a town. And yeah, if you want to take a look into this, I've uploaded all the videos inside the video documentation so people can watch them and see how the project evolved and what I've learned along the way. And yeah, I also have a economy tab now where I display all the circles supply, the volume, the trading, and or like send and receive, and how many minted and how many rewards people got and how many loot boxes were bought. So yeah, a lot of data here. Actually, citizens are now creating circle avatar accounts. So you can actually go here and these are like citizens who actually created their circle accounts using the Röbel app. And last but not least, this is the really cool stuff, the governance. But I will come to this at the end. For now, I also have some design updates in the Röbel app for the circles minting process. So yeah, this is the new design. I still get around like 20 to 30 seconds of minting duration. So yeah, I didn't found the solution yet, but um, yeah, I'm thinking about like maybe doing some design improvements or like minting in the background and still display the user that the mint was successful. I don't know, I will think about this, but for now this is the design. We also have the marketing stuff, this poster for events as I already showed you, the citizen verification poster and a poster for some screens. But this is just the beginning. This is like just the first iterations, the first ideas we had, how these would look in the stores and on events. And yes, there will definitely be more in the future and bigger ones and maybe some roll-ups. And yes, now we get to the really cool stuff because the reward I received from the first hackathon, I put into a multi-signature wallet. And this is the post I posted like 1 or 2 days ago, where I communicated to the town community that we received a 250 euro like grant or prize from the hackathon, and this money went straight into the multi-signature wallet, the treasury that I always wanted for my hometown, that people can decide on where the money gets spent on, and this is like all transparent and like a DAO, but like for a town. And we actually got a lot of cool and nice feedback, so people are really happy about this. And yeah, this is like an experiment, but I think like people actually like it, and this is what I hoped so. And yeah, so let's get back on track. In the app, it looks like this. So there's a new proposal at the top of the feed, and if people tap into um, the treasury, they see a wallet-like screen, and yeah, the treasury is actually linked inside the post. So here, if I tap on this, and yes, what else? I have a recording of how the governance works. So let me quickly show you the recording. Um, yeah, so this is like my brother's screen, and he did his first um, voting on the proposal. So yeah, the proposal is about a request of $50 from the treasury that we want to spend on marketing material that will that we will use on the local town like fest. So this will happen in about 2 weeks, I guess. And yes, so actually on-chain voting stuff takes pretty long sometimes. So um I didn't really found solutions yet, but yeah, the important stuff is that this actually works on chain. So yeah, the first thing a user needs to do is to select his birthday, so that we can verify that he is above 18 years old. But this is like the first, like, yeah, the only thing we currently do. There's no like actually verification or proof. This is like just trusting people that they put in their real birthday. And yeah, this is works for now. And this is the cool part, because for a vote on a proposal, the citizen receives a circles token, a RCSC, a Rubel circles token, as a reward. And we are thinking about all these rewards people can get for every kind of stuff, like attending an event, casting a vote, participating in something in the town, or rewards for every kind of stuff that strengthen the local economy or the local culture in the town. And yeah, in the future, so we have now many ideas for rewards, but in the future we also need to think about where people spend their circles on. So yeah, this is actually a citizen, another citizen who voted. Um, yeah, and yes, so this is like the proof that people actually do this. they actually do digital democracy, digital voting on chain on a smartphone inside an app. And this is like everything on chain, but people don't even know this. And yeah, that's pretty cool, I think. And yeah, that's actually it. So next thing to do is we want to put these marketing posters and all this kind of stuff, bring them to the events, and then we want to think about like how people can spend their RCSC tokens on. So maybe like creating ads in the app as a company or like as a a store owner, and or maybe like rewarding other citizens, like sending circles for posts or something other citizens share in the feed, something like this. So we are still ideating and searching for ideas. But yeah, that's the update. Yeah, okay, so now I get some sleep.